Automation, long a prediction, is revealed as reality. In this first plant of its kind, production is automatic, entirely controlled by electronics. A typewriter-like keyboard is the master control, setting out data and instructions on a punched tape, which in turn feeds the electronic computer. The computer translates the punch tape and sends the results directly into the machine tool production line, issuing coded instructions, automatically checking results. For example, the proper size drill is selected and moved into position. This new system, developed by the Hughes Aircraft Company, makes the use of precision mass production techniques possible for small plants. By cutting the time between the engineering work on a given part and its production, it cuts costs as well. Only occasional inspections and quality control checks are needed to make sure that everything stays on the beam in the electronically operated factory.